Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login issues. Also, if you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix Instagram login issues. First, double check to make sure you use the right username and password, make sure caps lock isn't on, and so on. If you put in your information correctly, but you're still getting an error message, this might be because the Instagram server is down. You can use isitdownrightnow.com to see if that's the case. If yes, wait a while and try again. If after waiting a bit you still can't log in, try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. Make sure to clear cache and data as well before uninstalling. Alright, so this is how to fix Instagram login issues. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram growth checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.